Oh hey, what's going on? The Carson Raven is an 8x26mm compact binocular that features a contemporary open design. These compact binoculars have high-quality BAK4 prisms and fully coated optics to ensure a crisp, bright image. The durable, waterproof, and fog-proof design make it perfect for use in all outdoor conditions. In Outside Magazine's Gear of the Year issue, the Carson Raven received the Killer Value rating, which is their most prestigious rank. In other words, the Raven beat out all other binoculars as the best value of the entire year. The Raven is portable enough to bring along while birdwatching, hiking, viewing concerts or sporting events, or any other outdoor activity. Overall, the Raven is a great compact binocular. Although small, it provides crisp, bright images for a killer value.